getting hot in here now. Getting a bit unbearable really. Even though that humidity says 25%, it feels like a lot more than that to me. Right, the next process is the fullering of the ends, but first I need to put a square taper on both ends, because once I've fullered it, it'll end up flexing it and there's a chance it'll snap off. So simply enough, you'd think, square tapered end. So up with the rear hand, cant hammer to match the angle, rotate 90. Apart from hitting the anvil, that's one end, same on the other end. That's fish licked a bit there. There we go. There's the other end. In order to fuller down, I've made a centre dot mark equidistant on both ends. I've really left myself enough room here to form the taper. So normally you'd come behind the centre dot mark with your fullering tool as you mark. I'm going to have to go right on top of it and make this part smaller and see if I can get the hammerhead in what's left here, which is a bit doubtful, but I'm going to push on. Yeah. Corner, a little tap. You don't lose the line when you go to the next one. A little tap on the corner. There we go. Needs a lot more than that though. That's too hot, I've burnt that a bit. I've grown out of that. That's about halfway down, I reckon. That'll do. How are we doing so far? Well, the rope twist is reasonable. As I've said, I think I've left too small an amount of material here to form the taper. I'll see how I get on. This fuller is thinner than that one, and to be honest I can't be bothered to go back and change this thicker one because I know what's going to happen. It's going to look thinner than that one, and then I'll just keep going until I've got nothing left. So the next step is to try and taper this without ruining the rope twist or hitting this finial. Keep the finial off the edge of the anvil, and to facilitate hammer control I'm choking the hammer, i.e. holding it very short. I'm also tucking my right elbow right in against my body. That gives me as much control as possible. In with the toe. I got too cold there. The other thing I'm doing is when I start hammering, I'll keep away from that edge that I don't want to hit, and then I'll work forward very slowly until I'm on it really, so that if I miss fire to start with, I'm not going to damage the bit I've followed down. Although it's ropey, it's coming, isn't it? Very ropey. A bit more out of it up here, I think. It's still a bit fat and square there. Now I'm going to mark the edge of the anvil the start of the rope twist, so that when I do the other one, hopefully I'll get them somewhere near the same. Not very far to go, to be honest. About another 7 or 8 mil, I'd say. Get that out the fat bit. Of course, this one looks much more slender than that one, so it's going to look a bit odd. There's a clinker stuck on the end of that. Come off now. No, a fair bit more. It's about the same. Just let me tidy up this a bit because it's got a few dinks in it. That's the end of the drawing process.